It is often hard to get a business loan with bad credit. The options are usually limited, and it is quite borrowing gets quite expensive. In case your credit sector is not perfect, that is not the end of the world. It just means you will have to work a lot harder to get some credit. At the same time, one has to be aware of falling into traps so as to increase the amount of troubles. What is bad credit? Very often, the credit report is not as bad as it looks like. One may find that after fixing a few errors, the credit report might actually turn out to look good to employers. Also, the term bad credit has different meaning to different lenders. Some might be willing to lend while some might not. Never be afraid to shop around before deciding that your credit is in fact a deal breaker. There are two ways to be careful about this. 1. Submit all applications in short periods of time so you don't end up inundated with all your credit inquiries. 2. Your application must only be made to reputable lenders. In case your credit turns out to be bad even after these, here are a few chances to saving yourself. Try credit unions. Credit unions are usually to offer you loans with no credits. As they happen to be smaller organizations, there happens to be a chance that they'll look after you personally rather than just looking at the credit score or loan application. Personal contact is what matters the most in these cases. Be peer-to-peer lending. Instead of going to organizations, you can actually go ahead and borrow from a person, which increases the chances to sympathy towards you. This is a better option as compared to banks, but they might not be looking to losing money. See friends and family. Family and friends can be another option to go to if you are in need of credit. And in case your credit is really bad, this also might be your only option. They after all know you, and they might be the only people who are willing to take a chance with your bad credit. Do you use collaterals? Collaterals or securities are another form of getting credit. Use these as securities, so lenders at least agree to giving you something. These are to be used only at worst times.